Chasing tornadoes. Storm chasing adventures in Tornado Alley takes you on a thrilling journey into the heart of one of nature's most powerful and awe-inspiring phenomena. The adventure begins in Tornado Alley, a region of the central United States known for its frequent and intense tornado activity. Armed with state-of-the-art equipment and years of experience, a team of storm chasers sets out in search of the perfect storm. As they scan the horizon for signs of brewing thunderheads, the tension mounts with each passing minute. Finally, they spot it, a dark, swirling mass of clouds on the horizon, a sure sign that a tornado is forming. With adrenaline pumping, the team races to intercept the storm, navigating treacherous back roads and dirt paths as they close in on their target. As they draw nearer, the wind picks up, whipping through the air with increasing ferocity. And then, suddenly, it's there, a massive funnel cloud descending from the sky, reaching down to touch the earth with its swirling tendrils. The team watches in awe as the tornado churns and twists, tearing through the landscape with unstoppable force. But for these seasoned storm chasers, getting close to a tornado is just the beginning. With cameras rolling and sensors collecting data, they plunge deeper into the heart of the storm, documenting its every move and unraveling its mysteries. As they track the tornado's path, they encounter scenes of both devastation and beauty, shattered homes and uprooted trees, but also fields of wildflowers and rolling prairies stretching out to the horizon. And then, just as quickly as it began, the storm begins to dissipate, leaving behind nothing but a trail of destruction and the lingering sense of awe at the raw power of nature. As the team packs up their equipment and prepares to head home, they know that they've witnessed something truly extraordinary. For in the midst of chaos and danger, they've found beauty and wonder, a reminder of the fragile balance that exists between humanity and the forces of the natural world.